Which graph represents the following system of quadratic inequalities? Okay, so the first thing I notice here is that the coefficient on x squared for both of these is positive, which means these are both going to open upwards. This allows us to cross a few options off the list, right? Okay, so we know they're both positive. Now we need to find the roots. So for this one, we can luckily just use a typical kind of factoring method. So we'll have x squared plus 7x plus 3x, minus 7x minus 3x, and then plus 21. And so we'll have x minus 7 and x minus 3. Okay, that's all good. Now, what can we do about the other one? Well, we're going to need to use the quadratic equation. So that's going to be that x is equal to negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so let's plug in all our numbers here. This is a, this is b, this is c. It's all ones. So we have negative 1 plus or minus 1 squared, which is just 1, minus 4 times 1 times negative 1. And then 2 times 1. Okay, so just keep going through here. Let's just simplify down what's in this root sign. So we're going to have 1 minus 4 times negative 1, so it's actually going to be 1 plus 4, so that's going to give us 5. And then we just have 2 on the bottom. Okay, so let's just punch this into a calculator, and we're going to get negative 1.62 and 0.62. So those are our other roots. So now we can go ahead and draw out our graph here. Something like this should do. And so we have roots at x equals 7 and 3. We got to flip the signs. So yeah, we have 3, 7, and we're going to use a dotted line because there isn't the equals to added on there. It's just a regular greater than sign. So we can go ahead. Something like that. I know it's a rough drawing, but we really just need to know the shape. In fact, by now you might have already been able to determine which multiple choice question is correct. I'm just drawing it out for the sake of being thorough. Okay, so then we'll have 0.62 here and say negative 1.62 here. And again, it's another dotted line. This one might be something like this. And then we're going to have shaded regions on top of them, because we have y is greater than this parabola and y is greater than this parabola, so we shade above the parabolas. Okay, so that's all for this one. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.